Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today we have an interesting unboxing to share with you guys. I was not aware that Wii was sending this. This has showed up with a bunch of other Civivi and Sencut products, which we'll unbox in a different episode. This is a Wii mystery box. Now, many of you know my feelings on mystery boxes. I've covered this stuff in the past. I think a lot of people will probably just automatically assume this entire video is an ad. It's not, but I can't really stop people from thinking that. Here's my thoughts, if you've never heard me talk about this. Mystery boxes are for some people and absolutely not for others. The ones where you know at least one of the items in the box can potentially be beneficial for people who are seeking that item anyway, and then the additional contents may or may not be to their benefit. But this is a little bit of a dice roll. I can see what they've done here, and I can kind of explain it. The benefit here will be you guys seeing me unbox this, and then you can decide whether or not this is something that's worth it to you. But the fact remains is that stuff like this, for the vast majority of people, is not going to be worth it. But I will open this up for you guys and share with you what I've got inside this one. I'm going to guess, since it was sent by Wii, that it's probably the best possible combination of items, but maybe not. We'll see. Thanks so much to my patrons for supporting me. Links for these will be down in the description. They only have them on their website. So, this mystery box, the guaranteed item is the Ignio, which already is a knife that is polarizing in aesthetic. This is already going to be something that very specifically somebody who wants the Igno is going to want to go after. If you're not interested in the Igno, then obviously, the box is not going to be tempting for you, right? So what we have here, the contents of the box, this is the black Igno. By the way, the standard price of the Ignio is $290, which I'm going to go ahead and say is already a bit too much for that. I think that's more of a, maybe like a $250 knife, right? So it's already a little bit high. The box is $340. So the idea here, if you read, it says, CPM 20, blah, 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 will come with a free mystery Wii or Civivi model. So the idea being, if you end up with a Civivi, which the vast majority of them are going to be like, that's how they're going to make their money. Then you would, like at least surface level appearance, you would break even, right? Because it would be a $280 value plus an additional $60 knife, right? Assuming that neither of the items are overpriced, which they are a little bit, at least, especially for the Wii. But if you end up with a box with two Wii knives, then yeah, you could actually end up a little up in value, which is kind of neat. Okay, so I know people are like, stop blabbing on and open it up. Well, context is important, right? For people who are able to pay attention and consider the context, right? It's important. But if you eat gravel and everything has to occur within 20 seconds of opening a video, well then maybe you're pounding your fists like an ape, screaming for me to open the box. Oh, imagine that! They sent me two Wii knives. Wow, who could have guessed? Obviously, this is the best case scenario. I'm very aware of this, right? But it is the absolute best case scenario. If you want my opinion on the odds of this occurring, I bet the most generous numbers are 1 in 10. It's probably more like 1 in 20. But I don't know. So obviously we have the Ignio, right? $290 value. Realistically, it's probably about a $250 knife. I think that I have reviewed this before. I'll open it up. And I repeat this, but there's new people who don't know. Here's the Ignio. It's a cool knife. Like, it's made well. I don't mean to come down on Wii's quality, right? Their heat treatment on 20CV is not good. It needs to be better. They need to up that to 60 plus. They've had their excuses in the past. They need to up their excuse. They need to up their HRC range. But the quality and machining precision of their titanium, right? Their blades are cool. Like the D10's great. It's a quality knife, right? For people who don't know, I have no problem, despite the fact that this stuff is sent to me, obviously, with the idea that the company gets to promote this stuff through my channel. They also give me affiliate links in the description so that when you go and use those affiliate links and you click on their products and then you buy them, I get a kickback. So you'd think that I would have every incentive in the world to only say nice things about these boxes, right? Wrong. No, yeah, sure, yeah, I could make a little bit of a commission here and there, but at the destruction of my own credibility. So no, we don't do that here. That's fine if you decide you want to purchase something through my links, but I would rather give you my honest thoughts, right? But you know that it's not going to stop people from being aggressively cynical one way or another. So I'll let you kind of figure out what you think of what I do here. If you're new, right, especially you come from YouTube Shorts or whatever, it can be a little confusing because everything in this world is an ad. Everybody is, you know, not saying everybody, but a lot of people are really deceptive and dishonest. I try not to do that. I try to just give you guys my honest thoughts, right? So then the other one that they sent here, what happened to the outside of the box? Where did it go? Yeah. Okay. We got the Shudan, and as many Wii knives as I have reviewed, I have no idea. I can't remember. I mean, these are going to end up as giveaway items. Like, this is going to go right back to my audience in live stream. Okay, yeah. So, I mean, yeah, like, actually a really cool model. So, in this situation, because this is probably also like a $275 knife. If I had purchased this box, obviously, people wanting to aggressively ignore the point, go down in the comments and say, "Oh, Wii Knives is saying you two really nice ones to entice people to buy them." Obviously, that's what they did. Obviously, a 4-year-old could have pointed that out. It's very clear, right? This is something that entices people. And I don't know that I love this, like, reveal one thing and then what's behind curtain number 1 or number 2, because it's incentivizing a little bit of gambling, right? And again, like, the way that they've priced it is, oh, well, worst case scenario, you get a Civivi, and it's probably worth about $60, so you got your money's worth anyway. I would say very specifically, like in this situation, if I were to have purchased this box, I'd be overjoyed, right? I mean, you could cut the value way down on these and sell them both and still make a little bit of money. But is the idea of like gambling on a box like this with the opportunity to like turn like what, a $50 profit? Is it that, you know, is it worth it? Not if you're going for the profit angle. The only people who this is worth it for, right? Because people are going to not be able to view it past that. The idea of buying them as like a potential, you know, like a box of Pokemon cards. Maybe there's a good one in there, but probably not. But the idea that there could be, you know, and you could make like, you know, 40, 50 bucks. Yeah. No, absolutely not. If that's the way you're looking at it, no. Like, go look at something else. That's silly. Don't do that. If you are somebody who specifically wants the Ignio, right? Maybe you're in the market for 2 knives and you've already been looking at a lot of Civivi stuff, right? Specifically Civivi stuff. And you're like, I don't know, there's like 20, 30, 40 models that I kind of like, right? I'm definitely buying the Ignio, but I'm thinking of like buying a little beater along with it. Well, okay, then the box might actually work out for you. Planning on making that purchase anyway, you're probably going to spend that money. But that's very, very, you know, it's specifically very few people, right? That's who I would say, hey, why don't you just buy that mystery box? Because, you know, worst case scenario, you get exactly what you're after, right? Who knows what Civivi models are in there. It's clear to me that the idea behind this box is it's a way to move products that have not previously been moving. So the Ignio, it seems like maybe they have a lot of these. And maybe there's a bunch of Civivi models and some other Wii models. I mean, I would be surprised to find out that this one did. I mean, like, this is a pretty cool knife. But yeah, maybe it is that there are certain Civivi models that are just not moving, and this is a way to move them and still not, you know, like lose any profit or anything like that. I don't know. I mean, it's, you know, businesses are going to have different ways of moving things like this, and this idea is hardly something that is new. And people are going to have different feelings and emotions on boxes like these. Me personally, I would not buy a box like this. I like to know exactly what it is that I'm buying. I think some of the more interesting, you know, mystery boxes that I've seen in the past have been like the Going Gear stuff. But again, you don't really know what's in the box. So if you're like really into the mystery aspect of it, you know, I mean, I say that I would never do this, but I am somebody who, as a kid and as an adult, with my own kids, I've bought things like Pokemon cards, you know, just with the thrill of what's going to be in there, right? But I don't know that there's a huge incentive to come at it from that angle, because the potential for you to get something of value and then actually turn around and be able to like have that value, you know, like let's say you sell the stuff, it just seems like it's such a non-worthy reason to buy something like this. So I would say only if you are in the market. The box should work specifically for what you want it to do. And if that's not the case, then just buy the individual products that you want, right? Whether it's from Wii or Civivi or whoever. So kind of neat. Really nice that Lady Luck was on my side this time. Got 2 Wii knives. Very cool. I will give these back. I will give both of these away during a live stream. You guys will get these anyway. But that's fine. I think I've reviewed both of these knives, so if you want to check out the full-length reviews of these, you can on my channel. That's going to be it for me today. Like I said, the mystery box, if you want to check it out, it'll be linked in the description. But you know, you gotta already be in the market for at least this guy. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.